Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Cozy Chat, a slow English podcast which helps you to learn English in a fun and natural way. This episode is for beginner English learners. My name is Maria, and today we're going to talk about why I love winter. I love winter for many reasons. Winter, where I live, is the coldest season of the year. In winter, I like to wear warm clothes. When it's cold, I wear jeans, a sweater, a hat, gloves, and a coat. Wearing my winter clothes makes me feel warm and cozy. At night, it also gets very cold during the winter. I sleep with a big blanket. In the morning, sometimes I don't want to get out of bed because I feel so warm and cozy and the air is cold. Many places are very snowy and icy during the winter. Where I live, it's cold, but there is no snow. Many days, it is cold, but it is still sunny and nice outside. I wish it would snow, though, because I love the snow. Does it snow where you live? Do you like the snow? Sometimes in winter, we drive to the mountains in Spain. These mountains are called the Pyrenees. It snows there every winter. When we go to the mountains, I like to ski. I think skiing is fun. I used to snowboard. Snowboarding is also fun. Skiing and snowboarding are hard to learn. You must practice a lot. But when you learn, skiing and snowboarding is very fun. I like skiing with friends. My favorite part of skiing with friends is drinking hot chocolate afterwards. I also like sledding. Sledding is when you sit on a sled and go down a hill. A sled is like a small seat that you sit on and use to go down the mountains. Sometimes you go very fast. You go fast when the hill is steep. Zoom. And after you go down, you have to walk back up the mountain with your sled. Sometimes this can be very tiring. When you reach the top of the mountain, you sled back down again. When I was a little girl, I lived in a place where it snowed in the winter. When it snowed, they canceled school. So we did not have school when it snowed. When it snowed, we would stay home at our house and go sledding. It was always very fun. Do you like to sled? Or do you like to ski or snowboard? When it's cold, I like to stay inside where it's nice and warm. Sometimes we build a fire in my fireplace. I love the smell of the wood burning in the fireplace. The smell and the heat makes me feel warm and cozy. My favorite time of year to cook is winter. I like making soups and stews. Stews are like a thick soup that has meat and vegetables and potatoes. I also love to bake things in the oven during the winter. I love how it fills my kitchen with warm heat and the smell of good food. I love to bake chicken, fish, pasta dishes, and also pastries. Sometimes I make cookies, and other times I make cakes. The smell of the food baking in the oven or cooking on the stove when it's cold outside makes me really happy. Do you like to cook? What kind of dishes do you like to make in the winter? The days are also shorter in winter. It gets dark very early. I like it when it gets dark early because I like to stay inside and read, listen to music, watch TV, or just spend time with my family. In the summer, I like spending lots of time outside when it's warm and sunny and the days are long. But in the winter, I like to spend more time inside. I like both winter and summer for different reasons. Which one do you like more? Winter or summer? What do you like about winter? Is it cold where you are in winter? Or is it warm? Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you enjoyed it. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next episode. Bye.